Here we got a 1947 Ford Coupe. It's done like a mint green metallic. Not a real heavy metallic, but a finer metallic. And got the Chevy motor in it, aluminum radiator, which was custom for that car. You know, somebody had to TIG weld that thing put together, fit it in there. Those radiators are expensive, man, because there's, you know, it's not like high volume production to put them in, you know, make them. Too many 47 Fords around, coupes. No running boards, it's lowered a little bit. It's got an aftermarket interior in here, automatic. Got some weird music on in the background here. God, can't help that. Gauge package up there. Looks like old aftermarket gauges, but they're in the right pods, you know. They got needles and stuff and writing like they're antique, but they're aftermarket gauges. The aftermarket column is tilt. It's got all this, you know, stuff on here. Beautiful seats, man. It's a comfortable car to ride in. Looks like it's got power windows and all that wonderful stuff. 47 says it right there. It's got a subdued, it's got golden chrome, two-tone chrome. This goes along great with the, you know, the body color. The body color also has like an accent of gold trim pinstripe on it. You see that in the back, right? Nice ride. Dual exhaust too. Plenty of room in that trunk. It's a mafia car, man. That's why they got a big trunk.